Hey guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to withdraw Ethereum Meta from Coinbase Wallet. So if you're holding Ethereum Meta, that is ETHM, in your Coinbase Wallet and want to withdraw it, the process isn't as simple as regular Ethereum. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you withdraw it safely in 2025. Step 1 is opening your Coinbase Wallet application. So go ahead and launch the Coinbase Wallet app and log in. Make sure you're in the wallet, not in the Coinbase Exchange app. Navigate to your assets and locate Ethereum Meta, that is ETHM, in your token list. After you locate the Ethereum, you'll have to check that your Ethereum Meta is on the Ethereum network, that is ERC20. ETHM is typically ERC20, so you will need ETH for gas fee. Ensure that you've got enough Ethereum in your wallet to cover the withdrawal transaction cost. Then, step 3 is getting your receiving address. Decide whether you are sending it to another wallet, exchange, or a friend. Copy the ERC20 code. So, click on receive after entering the Ethereum and click on copy the address from this Ethereum address button. Now, double check it's ERC20 compatible. Sending it to the wrong network can result in permanent loss. Step 4 is initiating the send process. So, in the Coinbase wallet, tap on the Ethereum Meta, that is ETHM, then select Send. Paste the destination address you copied earlier, then enter the amount of ETHM you want to withdraw and carefully review all the details before proceeding. Now, step 5 is adjusting network fee. Before confirming, Coinbase Wallet lets you view and adjust the gas fee. Higher gas fee processes faster, but you can pick a balanced option based on Ethereum network conditions. Then confirm you have enough ETH to cover it. Now, after reviewing the amount, address, and gas fee, tap the confirm to send. Your transaction will appear as pending depending on Ethereum network congestion. This might take few minutes to complete. Once the transaction is complete, use a blockchain explorer like etherscan.io to paste your receiving address and confirm the ETHM arrived. Coinbase Wallet will also show the status as completed. So that's how you safely withdraw Ethereum Meta from Coinbase Wallet. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.